Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy David from thePandaily. We got our hands on the Lenovo Z6 Pro 2 days after its launch. So let's just go ahead and take this guy open for you guys to see. And, oh, it's not a Dropbox. Okay, you have to push it out. Oh, there's a sticker here. Here we go. Take this guy out. Ooh. Look at this. Here we go, guys. Oh, this is like a really nice packaging. Oh man, look at this. Here is our Lenovo Z6 Pro that was released recently. Check it out. We have like that black version in our hands. It's got that red like shimmering effect on the sides. The 4 quadruple cameras right here. Okay, let me go ahead and peel this off so you guys can get a clearer look at its back. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? And ZUI 11. Here we go. Let's go check out the box. This is probably the jelly case that they have here. That's the pin. We got our jelly case. And let's see, I'm hoping this is gonna be the charger or the, oh no, this is probably the charger, right? Well, they package it very nicely. This box feels fantastic. That's the charging cable. So I'm guessing this is the charger right over here. Yep, okay. So right here we have the charger and the charging cable over here. All right, that's it, guys. Here is the Lenovo Z6 Pro. Please stay tuned for our full review that we will be doing later on. Okay, guys? Peace.